Well, look at this. Finally back with a update on my 450RL dual sport. Because yes, I finally got the final pieces. So the big stuff, the FMF and Vortex, I'll get to that in a second. I think otherwise you've seen the build in a couple videos if you've watched them. It's really it's a complete build at this point. I've done about everything. Skid plates, chain guides, full wraps, lock on grips. What's that? What are they called again? Takeaway mirrors, adventure mirrors. The seat, Comfort XL. So I installed rim locks so I could go into lower pressure. I got the Tusk billeted aluminum ones, and to be honest, I'm not sure I like them. I found them hard to install. I felt like I had to get the levers in there and actually pry away the tire sidewalls just to get it to go in past the sidewall of the tire, and it still just, no matter what I did, looks just a little bit bulgy here. So I don't know, hopefully that's an improvement. If I can go down to, if I can get down to even 10 psi safely, I'll be happy. So same thing back here, and the exact same results on installation. So that is what it is. Oh yeah, the IMS tank. Yeah, again, most of this you've seen. The only thing you haven't seen is the rim locks, and then of course the full FMF exhaust. So I got the header and this Q4 along with the Vortex ECU. So I haven't even taken it for a ride yet. I've only started it up, and I gotta say it sounds pretty good. Definitely an improvement just on that. In idle, it's pretty quiet. It's nice. So when you rev it up, it definitely has a lot better sound to it. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So as far as throttle response and all that, I have no idea. Go out and take a very quick ride, and this would just be on the street and no wheelies. Hopefully there'll be a follow-up dirt ride in the next I don't know, hopefully in the next couple of weeks. We've just had a really kind of crap spring so far here, and a lot of our forest roads are not really any closer to opening up. Yeah, it's definitely less, it's pretty smooth actually. Like, you kind of let up on the gas and then quite a bit less jerky. Now I think I had this set up in the right map with the full FMF system. The low, medium, and high fuel are all 555 as it comes, but then I put the map switch into the X10 map switch into number 6, which is power map 1 for the full FMF system. Now that the build's done, I guess I can put it up for sale. That's what people do, don't they? Yeah, the throttle response is a lot better. Look at this. Off the throttle. Pretty good. And I guess I want to say now that I'm not one of these people that feels like this bike is, you know, rubbish until you get all this stuff done to it. I think you'd be fine. Run the stock if you want, who cares? But is it better with it? Sure. Yeah, it's smoother, better throttle response, all that. So I mean, sure, if you can afford it and you can find it, go for it. As some of you know, I was waiting a long time. Admittedly, I was sitting on it for a few weeks here before I got it installed, but I think I waited a solid 5 months for the Vortex. The FMF stuff wasn't a lot better. I think I was waiting on the header for quite a long time, months and months. And then the Vortex took like a full 5 months. So I didn't try to install part of it or anything. I waited until I had all of it. So blah blah blah. Hopefully a dirt ride soon.